Shit. Fuck. Massive waterfall. It's actually scary when you're near it because you can see all the bricks that have fell off the top. But wow. There's fucking mushrooms everywhere. Perfect climate for them. Right, let's go find some more. I've been all around the Lake District. Not even bored of it, but the Yorkshire Dales has so much more to offer. It's less busy, the scenery's better, the roads are better, the fucking flow of water's better, so there's better waterfalls, there's better places, the mushrooms are better, and they're so fast. Whereas the lakes, it's fast, but it's limited as well, because you can't go up or down certain bits of it. Sorry, but my opinion, honestly, I just think I just prefer this, and I love the lakes. Anyway, so there's the secret waterfall there, just done. Had to get in, had to take a cold dip. It's absolute freezing, but how refreshing. And the waterfall noise that's on you, it's out of this world. It's absolutely eerie, but at the same time, I was giddy. I was like a little kid in there, so I'm really glad that I went and done that one. I could have stopped along the way because there was about 20 waterfalls that I spotted along the way, so I'm heading back to the van. I'm probably going to park up somewhere and camp the night in the camper van, get some food cooking. The video of Gloucester I accidentally deleted. I edited it all just to save space on my phone, saved it, went to delete a lot of videos that I'd already edited, and that was in one of them, so kind of gutted about that. But it's Gloucester, not wrong Gloucester, just It's a shithole in some places and nice enough. It's a shame really, because the cathedral was amazing and everything else about it. So, but right, I'm off to get something to eat. I'll see you guys in the next videos. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe below. There'll be plenty more videos. Yeah, that's it. Plenty more videos. If you want to see them, go subscribe. If you don't want to see them, go and subscribe. Abandoned houses and waterfalls everywhere. So I thought I'd have a look at this Hollis Junction Mansion Chapel, because behind it we've got that view. Wow. How beautiful is that? Over and show you what I'm saying about these abandoned houses. There's loads, absolute loads. And this one I was just passing there, it's all overgrown. Fireplace there. I was going to say stables, but stables wouldn't have a fireplace. So I've decided to park the front up. Picked a nice spot actually. Overlooking all the hills there. I'm just going to get some food on. And I'm beautiful enough. And head home in the morning. Before I finish the series, I just want to say thanks to everyone that's been following it. I've enjoyed the Viking Festival. It was absolutely brilliant. Met so many people. Everyone that was there, the people that I've met have been amazing. Thanks to all the friends for helping me with the van and making this possible. Thanks to everyone that comes camping with us. It's mainly my thing, but there is some that come with us, and I know everyone don't enjoy it as much as me, but the effort's appreciated. So love to you all, thank you again, and yeah, Off-Grid Adventure UK.